Si Izanagi po ba ay breakout pullback or buy the dip strategy? It's a cost averaging. Okay? It's a martingale strategy but not the usual martingale. So it's buying more where the 5-minute time frame is. A cost averaging martingale on a 5-minute time frame. Okay? So yun yung strategy niya. Is martingale wrong? No, it's not. Kasi if it's martingale wrong, ano ang right strategy? My point there is it depends. Depends sa how you define risk management. If ang risk management tinuro sa'yo is 1:3, you trade 1 and then win 3. So it's the same thing with martingale. You risk 1 port to 300%. Ganun dapat. And at the same time, longevity. Ayun nga lang, maganda sa martingale is dapat alam mo kung paano mo i-define ang martingale at anong market mo siya. Pwede kang gumawa ng martingale sa gold? No, definitely no. Pwede ka bang gumawa ng martingale sa crypto? Definitely no. PSE? Yes, depende kung gaano kalayo yung percentage price interval mo sa PSE. Pwede, pero not on ranging markets. Okay? So, kaya pinipili ni Izanagi yung tinitrade niya. Okay, so cost averaging is effective on the right market, the right time frame, and the right hands. So may topic sa'yo, martingale, pangit yan. Ang sagot ko dyan, anong bang strategy mo? Mas maganda ba yung strategy mo? Oo, mas maganda yung strategy ko, breakout. Let me see your port na 5 years now. Eto, pangit nga, martingale, pero may 5 taon, may 4 na taon na performance. Ikaw, nasan yung performance mo na 4 years na breakout strategy? Kung wala ka, let's be objective.